Children, our today's topic is equality in a democracy. Equality is the basis of democracy. Equality means equal consideration to all people or equal treatment for all people. That is known as equality. So, in a democratic government, all citizens enjoy equal right irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, education, color or language. Equality means equal treatment to all the people without any special consideration. Okay, government have to give equal treatment to all the people. So you cannot anybody cannot keep you away from the equality because of you are from this particular religion, particular caste, or your color is this and your language is different. They cannot say because of this you are not able to get the benefit of the government or anything. All are equal before the government also. The Indian constitution recognizes every person as equal. Every individual, either male or female, from all caste, from all religions, from all tribes, from different economical and social background, but you all are equal. That is known as the equality. So the equal treatment of the people irrespective of difference in caste, class, sex and religion, it is known as equality. So the different forms of equality we can see. The various form of equality are follows: the political equality, religious equality, economic equality, social equality and civil equality. These are the different forms of equalities. So first of all we will see the political equality. Political equality means every citizen enjoy equal opportunities in political area in a democracy. So we all are equal. So we are enjoying that equality. So in India, every citizen above the age of 18 years, irrespective of caste, religion, etc., is allowed to vote. We know that we have the right to vote. Then every person with required qualification can stand for the election. That is the another political right. Two kinds of rights are there. One is that we have the right to vote, and the second is that we can stand for the election. Moreover, everyone is equal in the eyes of law, so all the citizens have political equality. So political equality means two things are there. One is that we have the right to vote. The person who are above 18 years have the right to vote, and if we have the required qualification, we can stand for the election. These two are main important political equality. Then second is religious equality. Religious equality means when all religions are given equal importance without any discrimination, it is called religious equality. Means in a democratic country we cannot give importance to any particular religion. Maybe it is majority, but we cannot give importance, priority to this particular any particular religion. For example, in India, maybe some religious have majority, but the government should give equal importance to all the religion. Then only it will be a democratic country. Otherwise यदि एक religion को importance दे रहे तो वो theocracy हो जाएगा. So in a democracy everybody, all religions are given equal importance. That is known as religious equality. And third one is economic equality. When all the citizens are benefited by getting equal opportunity to develop and progress, it is called economic equality. Means in a democratic country we are getting equal opportunities to develop and progress. We are getting this. But if you are having that abilities, having that qualities, then only you can develop yourself. That is the problem. But the government is providing equal opportunities to everybody. That is economic equality. it is called equal pay for equal work is paid without any difference. वो भी होते हैं, एक जैसा वर्क के लिए equal pay for equal work, that is coming under economic equality. Then social equality, when all the people enjoy similar right to access all public places like playground, hotel, shop, market, etc. without discrimination, it is called social equality. Social equality में है आपको कोई भी प्लेस में प्लेग्राउंड, होटल, शॉप, मार्केट कहाँ पर भी सभी को जाने का परमिशन है. पहले ये नहीं थे, सोशल इक्वालिटी नहीं थे. अभी after we got independence, then we got the right, it is written in our constitution about this social equality. We have similar right to access all public places. The next one is civil equality. When persons are subject to the same law in enjoyment of their various rights and liberties, it is called civil equality. Civil equalities means हमें जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखे रखा है, जो भी हमको इक्वालिटी हो, फ्रीडम है, ये सब एंजॉय करने का जो राइट, इट इज़ आवर राइट बिकॉज इट इज़ रिटन इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. रिलीजियस इक्वालिटी एंड रिलीजियस फ्रीडम, इट इज़ आवर राइट. सो ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिख के रखा वो हमारा राइट है, उसमें हम एंजॉय करना है, उसमें हम पार्टिसिपेट होना है, तो उसका एक राइट है, दैट इज़ नोन एज सिविल इक्वालिटी. ओके, so these are the different forms of equality. First one political equality, second religious equality, third economic equality, fourth social equality, and last one civil equality.